Hi guys, I'm Mr. Matt, and today I'm going to talk about Earth Slayers. So, what are Earth Slayers? So, first, Earth Slayers involve 4 pieces. So, as you look here, so this is actually our Earth. But when we cut it in half, the other half we throw it away, and this half we save it. So, whoops, actually 4 layers. So, first, this one. So first, this first layer will be the crust. The crust is where we're standing on, which has life. And other living things like chairs, animals, and grass, and nature, and wildlife, and things like that. Those all involve in the crust. Next is the mantle. The mantle is already pretty hot, but not. But it really is hot, but it still can't melt metal. It only feels hot, but it's so hot it feels like boiling water being showered on top of your head. But next, right when you see the outer core. The outer core is actually super blazing hot. It is like millions of degrees Fahrenheit. It looks like millions of degrees Fahrenheit though. It is actually a million degrees Fahrenheit. It's actually really hot. The outer core is actually pretty hot. It can really melt metal now. It can melt anything now. But when you go to the inner core, so the inner core. The inner core is actually super blazing hot. That's like billions of degrees Fahrenheit though. The inner core is where it's hottest. It's where it's hottest. So there's, in conclusion, there are actually 4 layers: crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. Crust stands for the whole outside that we're standing on. The mantle is where it's underground. It's actually only a few hundred meters, but it could be still really hot. Next is outer core. The outer core is so the outer core is actually a place where it's really hot. It uses carbon dioxide, hydrogen, and mix these in together to make a blazing hot part of the earth. The mantle does too, but it doesn't have enough hydrogen to make it hot enough. Next is the inner core. And finally, it's the inner core, Finally, it's the inner core. The inner core made up with billions and billions and billions of tiny hydrogen particles, oxygen, carbon dioxide. They form together to make one super blazing hot part of the earth. You think that might be hotter than the sun, but don't worry. When you meet sun's inner core, the inner core of our Earth is actually one part from billions. 1 part of billions blazing hot for the sun. So the sun is actually still pretty hot too. So let me make this into a long story short. Earth is include crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. Those are the layers of the earth.